This is my brother Thomas's greatest helicopter part 3. Alright.
Get it.
I will. Okay.
Oh.
Go. Whoa! Almost tripped over my back. Whoa! Yeah, like impossible. Here. Get a little bit of mood lighting in here. Fly. Point it towards my camera. Set the camera down on the floor. Alright. Alright. Ready, go. Oh. The helicopter just reached the center of the lens.
Can I borrow your tablet after when the video is done? I want to show Joy something. Well, Joy, did your tablet get charged? Did it charge still? Where's your tablet charged?
It went. Well, we'll do it when we'll fall off the video. Ow!
Don't hold it down. Hold it up.
Alright. I can hear it beeping. Don't let it go behind the couch. Yeah, I know the rec room has been rearranged and everything. It's not the same just like in the last 2 videos of the helicopter. Whoa. Ow! Ugh. I just banged my head on the arm of the chair. I am. Not in the bathroom. Needs to be trimmed out more because it's spinning a lot.
So you could have had my old one, but you made it like not old.
Yeah, you broke it. Yeah, you broke it. The top of the blades came off.
I like the helicopter better.
Yeah.
Guess what? When it goes dead, guess what? It can do this all day. Guess what? You know how when the old one starts to go dead, it'll start doing that? If I get into load, nailed my phone.
I know the helicopter looks a bit... It looks different than the other videos. This is a new version. We did the classic version.
This one just got released.
It got released, so it's a brand new modern helicopter.
It didn't just get released, we just bought it. Yeah, that's what I said. And also John's like, it's a new release. John said it's a new release.
Yeah, right.
I bet this is like the model right after this.
Yeah, right.
John, did you even hear what I said earlier? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, no.
Whoa! Ow! You almost made me drop my camera.
John, why don't you actually use the camera?
Whoa!
John, why don't you use your camera instead of your tablet?
My computer's locked. So I want to upload this video tonight.
I'm a lazy English liar. I'm lazy at
You're not lazy.
Well, I mean, like, I'm like lazy
What do you mean?
flying slow and smooth. You're like lazy at it. Yeah? Gosh, what is it? Wait. Gosh, what is it? Oh no! You know what's cool about this one? You know how the old one, when it starts to go dead, you know how it starts flying too low to the ground like that? With this one, guess what? It doesn't go dead. You know what it will do? I'll be flying. It does go dead. It does, but it'll just shut off while I'm flying. Like it'll stand for you. Very poor advertising. You say it doesn't go dead. Well, it does. You see it? Whoa. Tail whip.
Don't let the helicopter's tail hit the fan switches.
Oh, it's starting to go dead. Starting to sound cold. It's gonna cut off when I'm flying it. Like, I could do that, but then it would... You just turn the fan off? Just set it up. Like,
Oh! Ow!
pick it up.
I think you got it. Stop.
Don't pick it up. John, I'm not going to hold it off. You just gonna throw it like that. You're doing this.
Whoa.
That's what I don't like to do it. But you do it anyway.
I'm sorry.
Pick it up.
Don't. Don't say anything like that in my next video.
So wait, if it does this, and it starts going low, and it does this automatically, that means it goes dead. Okay, so like that. But like, you know how the old one, when it starts going dead, it'll just do this. It'll just start going low to the ground like that, and like start like dragging its feet all over the place.
It's called landing gear, not feet. No, not a flying human. So do I. Ow! Let go. Ow!
There's one red. That's turns it on.
on sale?
Yeah. We should all buy RC helicopters. I'm thinking of the black one, I can use the blue one. There's a yellow one.
What about green? I'll get a black one. And we can...
Black one cost. Oh, that's cool. It went dead.
I'm dead?
It went down through there and it won't go up anymore.
Alright.
See how it kept on going up in the air, but when it started going dead, it was just like moving around and all. This one will actually go like that.
Yeah.
Like you guys are getting helicopters, you're out of your seat.
Alright. Show the guys how you plug it in.
Why don't you like freaking hold the camera so you can see what's on? All you do is do this. Plug it in.
Get into the bottom.
Plug it into his butt.
Not.
Charge! I know how it's charging. See this light right there? You can see the light through that thing?
The light is
See it?
green. See it through the
Yep,
helicopter
and then when
windows?
it turns off, you can actually see it. But with the old one, with that, it actually has a light on the controller.
That flashes green.
Yep. And then when it turns off,
Yep.
this one plugs into it.
It's not a butt. Stop saying that. It's inappropriate. Yeah. You broke it. You broke it.
John, can I please borrow your tablet, please?
Not yet.
I want to show.
Okay.
I really want to show you something.
Well, thank you for watching Tom's Greatest Helicopter, and that's it.